To manage unassigned logs, select Activity, Hours of Service, Duty Status Logs, then select the date range you're interested in viewing. We're going to select last month. Then you have to select Unidentified Driver, Apply Changes. This is going to pull up the list of all the vehicles that have unassigned driver logs for the month of February. Some of these vehicles might be vehicles that you share with another end of the contract. So what you can do is you can select the particular truck that you know you're the one that manages. So 238150, and it's going to just give you the unassigned logs for that vehicle. Here you have these two logs that are highlighted in red. We can pull down this menu and say select individual. Now we're going to select these logs. Go here to where it says edit selected HOS logs. Now you can either assign this to a particular driver, or in this case, since it was only zero point 0.1 miles, that's a yard move. So if you want to replace it with a driver's name, you can select from the menu here. But in this instance, since it was a yard move, you can just annotate it as a yard move and select save. DOT regulations require that we either assign this to a driver or put in an annotation as to the reason for the vehicle being moved. That can be a yard move, that can be vehicle at rider for service, something of that nature. So I'm going to select save, accept, and now as you can see, it's no longer highlighted in red, and we can move on to the other unassigned logs for this vehicle.